Ah, it's raining outside. I might as well stay home. We use might as well, may as well, when we're saying there's nothing better to do, this is a good idea. I had 12 donuts. I ate 8 of them. I'll save the rest for tomorrow. I might as well finish them because they'll be old tomorrow. Imagine you're at a party. The music isn't really good. Your friends aren't there. Ugh, I might as well go home. There's nothing better to do. This is a good idea. Can you think of a situation where you would use may as well, might as well? Let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you soon for another phrase.